guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this makeup look for you guys. We are doing a very smoky 90s dark glam kind of makeup look with a glitter lid. As you can see, it's very in your face, very New Year's I think, and it's very easy to do. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So I'm back at it with one eye done off camera. I'm now going to show you how I did this look to this eyeball. So to start off, I'm starting off with a cream black base, and for that I'm going to go into my kohl liner from Smashbox. This is in the shade Fishnet, I believe. I'm just going to take that all across the lid. And then going into my full exposure palette by Smashbox, I'm just going to go into the matte black shade. I'm just going to stick that all over my lid and I'm going to buff it out to create this gradient of a smoky eye. So first I'm just going to pack that black pigment on, and then I'm going to buff it out with a fluffy brush. Next we're going to go into this greyish tone. I'm just going to buff that out to get even more of a lighter, softer gradient. Next we're going to go into these two colours right here, just to blend it out even more. I'm just using those paler colours just to soften it. What I did to the top, I'm now going to do to the bottom. So I'm going to start off with my kohl liner, and I'm going to go in with my black pigment, and I'm going to buff it all out. I'm literally just repeating what I did to the lid, to my lower crease, my lower lash line. But I'm also going to take that kohl liner along my waterline. Next is the glitter part. For that I'm going to go into my NYX glitter primer, favourite glitter primer of all time, and my NYX face and body glitter in the shade Gunmetal. This is exactly that. It's a gunmetal silver colour, and all I'm going to do is stick it all over my lid. It doesn't matter if it's a bit messy, because I feel like that kind of gives it a little bit of an edge. Taking a bit on the back of my hand and my Urban Decay brush, and I'm just going to literally paint that on my lid. Using the same brush, I'm just going to stamp that glitter on, press it on. Naturally, working with glitter, it gets everywhere. I'm going to do my liner, and for that I'm going to go into my NYX Vinyl Black Liner, and then for lashes I'm going to go into the Enchanted Heartbreaker Lash, which is a little bit more winged out on the outer corner, so it's more of a cat eye, a lifted almond approach to my eyeball. And yeah, let's just get this. Let's get this eyeliner on. So I'm just going to stick my lash off camera and some mascara, which is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. You know I'm going to use that. And I'll be right back to finish the face makeup off. Or start it at least, and then finish it. So, liner lashes are on. I'm now going to finish off the eye by going back into the Smashbox palette and picking up this kind of rose gold champagne shade. I'm just going to stick that in the inner corner and underneath my brow. So, face makeup. To prime, I'm going to go into the Revolution Pore Blur and Prime Primer. I love this packaging, and this is pretty much a affordable dupe for the Smashbox Pore Minimising Primer. I'm just going to keep this to the centre portion of my face just to smooth out all my larger pores. For foundation, we want something full coverage to cover the stresses of 2019 and something that's going to make us look flawless, radiant, glowy, so freaking good. And for that I'm going to go into the Tarte Hybrid Empower Hybrid Gel. This is in the shade Fair Light Neutral. And I'm going to use the brush that comes with it, and I'm just going to apply it. Mask my face essentially. For concealer, I'm going to go into the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. Again, it's a full coverage concealer, and it's just going to brighten everywhere I put it. So, to set my entire face so I don't melt away, I don't run away or sweat away or anything like that, I'm going to go into the Laura Geller Baked Balance and Glow Illuminating Foundation. This is going to give me a really nice glowy, luminescent, radiant look to my face. For contour, I'm going to go into my Face Shaping Palette by Tarte. I'm going to pick up the two shades that I always go into for contour, and I'm just going to keep it in the hollows of my cheeks, my temples, side of my nose, and my chins. For blush, I'm going to go into the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Captivating. This is a beautiful peach shade, and I feel like it will just really bring some colour to my face, because obviously we've got a very like greyscale, very dark, sultry, smoky, so a little pop of colour just to freshen the look up. To finish the face off, I'm going to go into a Laura Geller Baked Highlighter in the shade Sunset Glow, and I can't get into it, but it's this beautiful pearlescent. It also has like a shift to it. It's so beautiful, so blinding as well. And on New Year's Eve, you want to be blinding, you want to be stunning, you want to be showstopper. I mean, it's just something else, isn't it? So to finish the look off is lips. So for lips, I'm going to do something very, very simple, very, very easy, and it's a nude lip. So for that, I'm going to go in with my NYX Nude Liner in Nude Beige. I am then going to go in with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. It's a bit of a darker nude. And then to lighten that nude and give it an ombre effect, I'm going to go into Pillow Talk by Tarte. And then to give it a gloss moment, because we have to go over gloss. We have to go over gloss just to really amp it up. I'm going to go into the Revolution Lip Topper in the shade Exquisite. And this is the finished, like, everything that I've used will be listed down below for you guys. As always, if you did like this video, then please click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell button to be notified when I upload, which is every Tuesday. My Instagram, my Twitter and my PayPal is also linked down below, so any donations to my PayPal will go back into my channel equipment, for content, anything like that, and I'll be so appreciative for any support that you give the channel, whether it is donations or just a couple of likes, or even if you just comment and subscribe. I hope you have a good new year. I hope you had a good year, a good Christmas, and I hope you have a good start to next year, 2020. Where has the time gone? Yeah, happy new year, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!